Hey guys, my name is Aaron, and I just want to talk about the most important investment you can make right now, investing in yourself. So most people are always looking for the next big investment. They mean real estate, their own business, any number of things, the latest get-rich-quick scheme. The thing I want to talk about is none of those things. I want to talk about investing in yourself. So that means investing to learn a skill, investing to learn a concept, investing to perfect a skill or a concept in your head. It can be public speaking, one of the most valuable skills that I've found in the couple of years I've worked in retail. It can be something like getting a quick certification in computer repair so you can say fuck you to your minimum wage job, have a little more income, and do something else. It could be any number of things. But what I'm trying to belie is that, well, let's take a step back. How easy is it to work an 8-hour shift and then say, well, I'm hungry, I'm going to grab a bite to eat? Okay. You add up the average cost of a meal, and I'm just talking about here. I'm not talking about someplace crazy like California. That's $8 a meal, 5 days a week, $40 a week. Now, and I'm going to tell you, I went through this morning when I set up an AdWords campaign. I went, oh shit, $5 a day just to show my video to a couple hundred people? That sucks. Man, that's not going to work. That's a lot of money. You know, that's like a couple hundred a month. I can't afford that. And then I thought about it. How much money do I spend on bullshit I don't need? How much money do I spend on shit that just makes it more comfortable for me to live? And I'm not willing to risk $35 in what is pretty much a safe gamble to make some money and better my future. Am I fucking stupid? I must be. I guess it just delves from a scarcity mindset. You know, you have it, you don't want to lose it. Just got my tax return. I've blown through like 500 of it. All in business stuff. I'm not worried at all. But you sit there and you get worried about it, and you're just confounded, anxious, and fearful of everything. It's all going to come collapsing down. But it won't. The good thing is, I know no matter what I do, I'll gain views on YouTube with the PPC campaign. If I'm not gaining subscribers, then I'm doing something wrong with the video, or doing something wrong with these videos. Maybe I need to refocus my strategy. Maybe I need to do something different. You know, it's not like I'm going to perpetually throw out $35 a week on ads. It's stupid. It's just one of those things you have to sit down and really reason yourself about. And I felt the same way about investing in what is, for lack of a better explanation, the cheapest marketing courses that you can ever fucking get online. You know, $9 a month. What's so bad about that? $1 plus $9 a month. It's worth it. Shit. Think about all the time you spend on YouTube looking up fucking make money quick shit. Sure, they work. How many have you employed? None. How many will you employ? Probably 3 over the next 2 years. Fuck that. Take your money, make it work for you. It's kind of the first step into leverage. It's crazy. But that's all I had to say. Is just a real quick thought about, you know, investing in yourself. Don't be afraid to do it. Of all the investment vehicles you have, you are the investment vehicle with the highest return on your investment possible. Because no matter what you do, well, in most cases, you're going to have yourself, you're going to have those skills, and you'll still be able to make money, even if you lose everything. So peace. Alright guys, if you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Give it a like, give it a comment, let me know what you're thinking. And if you're interested in any number of opportunities that will allow you to make money online, visit my website at retail2riches.club, listed below somewhere, or up there, I don't know. And sign up for my email list. I'm going to be giving free content away to my subscribers, and only my subscribers, that I don't publish on this YouTube channel. And you are going to love it. Your wallet's going to love it. You're going to love it. And it might change how you do business online. Thank you.